Prisoners of Promises by James Steed. America has become what it once revolted against, a kingdom with a crazy king. Decrees, not legislation, no concern at all for the taxpayers, just armed tax collectors to fund endless wars for the unquenchable greed and depravity of the old king's handlers. Industry has left America to be replaced by hospitals. Education has become meaningless, while drug use soars. The few do not use their wealth responsibly, while the many are sick, worried pill poppers, prisoners of endless, empty promises. We are a nation formless and void, without a visible purpose beyond a new cell phone every year. People cling to those gadgets with a strange desperation, as if that little screen is their lifeline, the last tenuous link to lost dreams. But what we really want is inside us. God's voice is inside. America has painted itself into this corner by decades of short-sighted policies aimed only at fast money. The nation needs a purpose, but that purpose has to come up from within each of us, not some grand scheme forced on us as a cover for slavery. Freedom is hard work. It is not the chaotic, self-centered emotional screams of the rioters. Rather, it is steady, grinding labor, the frustratingly hard edge of necessity, softened only by a sense of service. It is commitment aimed outwards, toward people, those we are willing to work and sacrifice for. Each of us has to form our own idea of the future we want to build, and we have to build it ourselves, not by shouting demands, but by speaking our honest thoughts and by embodying the values we believe in. Don't sit around waiting for sold-out leaders to tell you what to do. Don't wait for magic. You know what's right. Do the hard work. We are God's warriors.